Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I say welcome, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So guys, please, before we proceed, if you've not subscribed to the channel, I beg you, kindly smash the subscribe button down there so that we can proceed. Please, 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 please. All right, thank you. All right, so today I just want to come discuss with my people and kind of rant, just go with what is happening. From the title of this video, you already know what is going on in the crypto space. Yes, we're in the crypto. Don't be surprised, your girl has a little, here and there, a little information about the crypto space. Yeah, that's me trying to be humble, but hey, yeah, we don't know it all. So yes, the crypto space, or as they say, the streets of crypto are bleeding. Everything is red, and people are crying, people are wailing, people are ranting, and all that. Guys, let me know if you're here, my subscribers, you're watching this video and you're into cryptocurrency. Please drop a comment in the comment section below. What do you think? How are you seeing the season we are in right now? What exactly is going on? Yeah, please feel free to drop a comment. Anyways, I just wanted to say one or two things about what is going on. A couple of young people have been complaining crypto is a scam, this and that and all that. Hey guys, in as much as we are all bleeding, in as much as it's not a good time, crypto is not a scam. I think the problem a lot of people have is a lot of people do not know what exactly cryptocurrency, blockchain and all that is. So a lot of people got into it without proper education or information, if I should say. So a lot of people come into crypto with the mindset that, oh, you put in a particular amount and over a short period of time you make a lot of money. Kind of true, but that is not the absolute truth. All right, and I feel like that is the mindset that is affecting a lot of people in times like this. So a lot of people, a lot of people are complaining their portfolios, their monies, everything is going down or has gone down, and it's not stopping, and a lot of people are complaining. But what I just want to say is, first things first. If nobody has told you, if you're hearing for the first time, if you've not heard it before, it's okay. The crypto space is highly volatile. It is highly volatile. Don't let anybody deceive you. Highly volatile. If you want to get into the crypto space, one of the main things you should know, even before putting your money, is to understand how it works. Yes, there are times where you will lose money. And when I mean lose money, I don't mean small money. You will lose good money. And then there are times where you will even make crazy money. It works both ways, all right? But first of all, if you want to get into cryptocurrency, if you want to get into that space, understand how it works. Of course, you wouldn't know everything from the beginning, but understand the basics. Get information, know how the system operates, all right? If you have to pay to acquire this knowledge, by all means, pay good money so you get value for your money. Don't just go into cryptocurrency with the Ponzi scheme mindset, the Ponzi scheme mentality. If you do, you get burnt. Seriously, you get burnt. All right, so first things first, gather enough knowledge, do your research, do your own research. There's a popular abbreviation, DYOR. It means do your own research, ask questions, gather enough information, read materials before you get into the crypto space, so that at times like this, you'll be like me, you'll be smiling. You'll be smiling. Yeah, that is one thing. Get enough information, gather and keep acquiring knowledge. It's very, very important. All right, very, very important. Don't say because you're in the system already or you think you are in the know. Get enough information. Pay for information where you have to pay. All right. Also, think long term, guys. Cryptocurrency is not for kids. It's not for kids. One of the advices I'll give is, when you, not just cryptocurrency, any investment at all, but of course we are focusing on crypto. Yeah, think long term. You don't go in today and expect to make millions tomorrow. It can happen, yeah, but that is not always the case. It can happen. You put in a particular amount. Let's say you put in $50 today. Maybe you put in $50 today, and then in the next 3 days or in the next 4 days or sometimes the next day, you make times 1,000 or something like that of that money. It happens. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. It happens, but that is not always the case. So don't expect it to happen every time. That is why I said get knowledge, understand the system, understand the ecosystem, understand how that space works, so you know what to do. There are stable coins, there are shit coins, there are meme coins, there are all those kind of things. So know what it is you're putting your money. How can you even put your money somewhere and you don't even know what it is? Because you know, you don't do that. It means you don't respect your money. All right, you don't respect your money. You don't put your money somewhere and you don't even know, you don't even have an idea of how things work over there. Come on, you don't do that. We don't follow things blindly. There are times where you put in money into a particular coin or token or whatever, and it makes you massive profit because of trend and all that. It happens, like I said, but that is not always the case. So still on my point, think long term. Think it will help you. There are some coins where you put your money and you make profit only after 2, 3, 4, even 5, some people 6 years. So if you see people balling or you see people flouncing their profits on crypto and all that, trust me, a good number of them, those that are genuinely in the system, they've been there for years and they've suffered loss. And in the course of that, let's use a 5-year mark now. In the course of that 5-year mark, they have made losses, profits, losses. There are times where everything went flat. They were never hearing anything, and then the thing begins to pick up. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin right now. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin. I think somewhere around 2019, 2020, that's lockdown phase, Bitcoin dropped to about $3,000. Look at Bitcoin. Okay, today, even considering the fact that it has dropped, it is still higher, way higher than it was at that time at $3,000, $3K, right? So yeah, that is what I'm trying to say. You think have that long-term mindset, else you keep having unsolicited heartbreaks, what you did not bargain for. Heartbreaks, tension, high BP, you just keep, you know, what the things you didn't call for. All right, so yeah, jokes apart, think long term. It helps, you know, it helps your investment build value. Yeah, it helps your investment build value. It even gives room for the coin or whatever token you've put in your money to grow, you know, to grow. More people become aware of it, and then, you know, it grows in value over time. So give it 5 years, give it 4 years. Yeah, 5 years might seem like forever, but 5 years will come in no time. Whether you put in your money there or not, 5 years will still come and go. So why not just give it 5 years? Yeah. So that is that. Think long term. Very important point. Also, another thing I would like to say is, in this space, I'm sure you've heard this before, but I'll say it again. You know, sometimes when we hear things over and over again, probably that's when it sticks, right? Do not invest what you cannot lose. Guys, do not invest what you cannot lose. If you're a student and you're seeing this video, do not invest your school fees, your accommodation fee, your project fee, your what have you. That is not what it is. That is not what investment is about. You invest what is left of your earnings or whatever, right? Not monies that are tied to projects or that are tied to particular things, like some of the things I've mentioned, right? Invest what you can do without. Invest what you can lose. And investment is like planting a seed. You don't plant a seed and then you go every day to dig the soil, open up the soil to see whether your seed is germinating. It is not your business. Your business is to plant the right seed in the right soil and go to sleep, right? And allow the natural factors and every other thing take their course. So you are not the microbes or whatever that will act on the dying seed or whatever. At least allow the seed to even decompose, isn't it? Yeah, so invest what you can do without. All right, invest what you can let go of, should in case things go bad, like bad. Guys, this sun, I don't know if I'm enjoying it now or not. Anyways, invest what you can let go of, invest what you can do without. Yeah, that is how it works. So that if we linking it to my previous post, I beg your pardon, if you're going to think 5 years, it means you would not need that money in 5 years, right? If you're going to think 3 years, you know, in that order, you're not going to need this said money in 3 years. So instead of investing $500 and you're having sleepless nights, why not invest $50, $100 and sleep well? Because if you're having sleepless nights and you end up killing yourself, what will happen to your investments? Yeah, you know, so allow yourself live life to the fullest. All right, so yeah, my point is, invest what you can do without. Invest that money that you know you would not be needing in the nearest future, like anytime soon and what have you. All right, and remember, do not invest your fees. For the students now, don't invest your fees, your project money, or your accommodation fee, or your children's fees. Some parents, you know, I don't know what they are thinking, but hey, it's not a gamble, right? Do not invest your children's fees or your fiance's bride price. or yeah, your staff salary. You don't do that. That is not investment. That is gambling, and you get burnt. So yeah, basically invest the money that you can do without. That money that whatever happens, even if the market crashes, like absolutely, you're not dead or you won't die. You'll survive. All right. So yeah, do that. Very important. Very, very key. Yeah. Another point I would like to say at this point, guys, please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, do something nice to your girl. Don't let me smile in vain. Don't let me keep smiling in vain. Please smash the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you're faring in this crypto markets crash season. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, you get what I mean. Yeah, so let's do that together. Thank you. All right, another thing I would like to say is take profit. Learn to take profit when you're trading. That's for those who trade. I did not mention earlier, there are different ways to make money in the crypto. Probably I'll say more in another video, but yeah, there are several ways to make money in the crypto space. I'll mention two of them. One, by investing, like investments. You just put your money there, like I said, you leave it for a couple of years or whatever target you have for yourself, say 3 years, 5 years. I know people who do 7 years, even and like that. You leave it like that, and then you go about your life purpose. And there are those who take up trading. You trade, day-to-day trading. You buy this, you buy at buy low, sell high, you know, that kind of trading. You make profit and all that. So if you are doing that, please take profit. Learn to take profit. You've put in, let's say you've put in $500. No, let me not go that high, so that some people won't be like, it's only $500, just call it. Yeah, you put in a particular amount. Let's say, for example, you put in $50, and then the whatever token or coin you've bought is increasing. Let's say you are now at a profit of, let's say, $600, right? Take profit, take out something. Let's say take out $300. It's an example I'm giving. All right, take out profits and then leave the rest, so that even if that coin drops or it crashes or what have you, you've taken profits, you know, from that, and then you can now wait, you know, another period, you know, to make more profits, you know. That is if the coin comes up, you know, again and all that. Or once it drops again, that is another opportunity for you to buy. You buy low, you buy when it's low, and you sell when it's high. That is trading, basically. You're making profits, all right? But if you don't learn to take profit, you get burnt, all right? Yeah, so learn to take profit. I'll probably talk about that in another. If you want me to talk about this, you know, extensively, please drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know, so that I don't want this video to be long. So I'll just run through the other part. Another point. Next point. Do not be greedy. Do not be greedy. Take control of your emotions. Put your emotions together when you're in this space, guys. I cannot emphasize this point enough. Put your emotions together. They will help you. If you can control them, they will help you. They will save you a whole lot. Put your emotions together. And yeah, don't be greedy. Do not allow greed have the best or have the better of you. All right? Yes. And lastly, I'll just touch on this point briefly. In times like this, I know a lot of people out there are not smiling the way I'm smiling right now. Yeah, they're not having it with the whole crypto market and all that. Yes, I get it. But the truth of the matter is, if you know how these things work, this is the best time to buy. I know some of you might want to, don't throw things at me. Don't slow down, easy. Hear me out. I know it doesn't make sense, but the truth of the matter is, this is the best time, because the truth is almost all the coins are down. And when I mean down, they are down. This is the best time to buy Bitcoin, because the truth of the matter is, if not for anything, at least we know for Bitcoin will surely rise again. It will come up again. So this is the best time to buy something. And when it comes to buying, you don't necessarily have to have the money to buy one full Bitcoin, like one Bitcoin. I think, you know, so you can buy in bits, whatever your money can afford, you will get. All right, so buy whatever you can buy. This is the best time to buy, because by the time it goes up, you might not be able to afford it again. All right, and you know, we keep going around in that circle. This is the best time to buy. I know a lot of you, where are my Luna people? Luna, drop a comment in the comment section below. Luna is I don't want to say things. If you understand, if you know, you know. IYK, right? If you know, you know. So for example, look at Luna. People put in as much as $100,000, and right now that same investment is not even worth up to. Hello.
You are from Nigeria?
Da. Hey guys, so sorry about the interruption. I'm so sorry. Yeah, some lady was passing by and she just wanted to talk to me and all that. So yeah, I don't know where I was. I think I was giving the Luna example. Yeah, I was giving the Luna example. So yeah, Luna is down. Like, I think Luna is less than a cent now, if I am not mistaken. So what I was trying to say earlier before I was interrupted was that people put in as much as $100,000 even $1 million, and now that same investment is worth less than, let's just say $1, $100, $10 or something like that. Can you even imagine? So that is to show you how volatile the market can be. All right, that is a perfect example of how volatile the market can be, how low the market can crash. All right, and if on the flip side, how high, how much profit you can also make. So that is just an example. So with the way things are going, I think this is the best time, like my brother Aproko doctor would say, this is the best time to drink water. All right, remember and drink water. I have my water here. Stay hydrated so that your eye will not turn you and then you go and faint or something. Grab some water and drink, regardless of the market. Grab some water and drink. Okay, jokes aside, but I'm just trying to let you know that there is nothing new under the sun. This thing has happened time and time again in the crypto market. All right, so be wise, do your research, understand how these things work, and don't kill yourself. All right, don't be hard on yourself. Don't give up on investments. I'm not here to motivate you or anything. Just don't give up. So learn. If you've made mistakes, probably you've invested one money that you're supposed to use to go for your masters, or you're supposed to use to do something. Learn. All right, learn how these things work, and then it will help you, come back, and all that, and ask questions. We don't know it all. All right, I don't want this video to be long, guys. Please engage me in the comment section. Let me know, were you burnt? Were you affected? How do you see cryptocurrency? Is it something you want to go into? Is it something you don't ever want to have anything to do with it for the rest of your life, and stuff like that? Let me know in the comment section what you think. I also want to learn. I learn every day. I like to learn from people who know more than me. I also want to learn. We don't know it all right? So yeah, that is it. And if you want me to do more videos about this, PS, I don't know much. I only share what I know, and like I said, I love to learn more. All right, so if you want me to do videos about things like this, please feel free, let me know in the comment section and I will. All right, before I sign out, please, if you've not subscribed to, I'm not the cause of the market crash. I'm not related to Satoshi Nakamoto. Please, I'm not the one behind Luna crash. Please subscribe to my channel. I beg you, subscribe. Maybe that will even help, the markets to rise. All right, jokes aside, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Share. Let me know what you think about this. And trust me, I really appreciate it. All right, thank you. All right, so till I come your way in my next one, like I always say, be good, evolve, grow, become a better version of yourself. There is a lot in you that the world is in need of. Bring it out there and let your light shine. All right, till I come your way again, it's bye-bye.